When a cavity breaks through the enamel and reaches deeper layers of the tooth, that's when the pain starts, that's when the discomfort starts. In those cases, you need dental fillings. A dental filling is a procedure where the decayed or broken part of the tooth is cleaned out and replaced with a strong filling material, restoring tooth shape and function as well. With a filling, pain disappears and chewing becomes easy, and your tooth is protected for the long term. And in most cases, early treatment can prevent the need for a root canal as well. So if you have any sensitivity, if you have any pain, discomfort due to a cavity, we suggest that you go through with the filling procedure before it's too late. At our clinic, during our dental filling procedures, the procedure is performed by a specialized doctor, and we use the highest quality materials and also the top-notch technological devices as well. So if you have a cavity and if you need a filling, do not forget to book an appointment at Lima Clinic. We're waiting for you here.